If you wanted to, you could leave the potatoes out in the open, let them dry a little bit, and just dig.
For the first time, Muskoday Organic Growers Cooperative have grown enough potatoes to sell the excess. This year's bumper crop has put them on the road to self-sufficiency, and a group of youth from Nicaragua are helping them.
And have the Nicaraguan people here to be with us, to work with us in the potato field alongside us. It's just an amazing experience.
Harvey Knight, president of the cooperative, said having the cultures together was an honor.
The indigenous peoples up here have adopted that tradition, our horticultural tradition. It's a tradition that we learned from them.
The youth are in Prince Albert as part of the Canada World Youth Exchange Program. In Prince Albert, I'm Angela Hill.